Hey guys.
So when we upgraded our annual passes, we included the water park. So today's our first time checking it out and see what there is.
We're not going in the water just yet.
Even though it probably would have been
a beautiful day to do.
A really good day to do it.
So, but yeah, it's gonna be fun.
We're just checking things out, looking around. We'll just walk around and see what there is, and we'll show you guys.
Getting into the park is $69 for anyone over 10 and $63 3 to 9. So just in case you guys are wondering what the rules are, you must take frequent restroom breaks. Amber, you have to go to the bathroom often. You have to go to the bathroom often.
Well, I would hope so.
Amber,
Yeah.
how tempted are you to jump in right now?
Pretty tempted because it's really stinking humid. Like there's a whole bunch of like these
Sprayers?
sprayers, and like I keep stepping into it doesn't matter with my shoes. So it feels good.
It's kind of cool. I wonder how the other one is, Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah. I bet we didn't even see half of it, but we just wanted a small stroll around to see.
Alright, well, let's continue our journey. So it looks like they have like private patio seating as well, which is kind of cool. We'll get the prices for you guys. They have seating everywhere, some in the shade, some in the sun.
There's also like little patios on this side too.
Yeah.
By the Meltaway Bay.
They have a small little mini donut place you get right across from the lodge. More shaded areas and a coffee stand.
Pastries, and then I think there's another stand over there. So like the whole way around Meltaway Bay, they have like snacks and food and stuff. Because we went to that quick service restaurant, and then there's like little kiosks in a way that have stuff.
just in case you forget your swimsuits, they have stuff here where you can buy. Whoa!
It's a Christmas song, but it's like like
Swim trunks for the boys. We just saw a sign that you can make your own tie-dye.
yeah, that was cool to do. It's only like 15 to 20 bucks. That's not bad. If you get any water shoes, you have all of it. This is nice. It's a little expensive because it's quicksilver and rock.
Let's see, for these swim trunks, $56.95. Those are cool.
Then you get a little bag with those ones. These are cool.
They got water shoes.
They have cracks. Look how cute. Look how cute. These are so sunglasses.